Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up multiple accounts in international countries across the globe on Shopify. Now, we all know for a fact that Shopify commerce platform is a global commerce platform where you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And obviously you can discover the reason why millions of individuals, entrepreneurs, and dropshippers have chosen Shopify to build their business, and millions of merchants worldwide are using it. It is presented in 170 countries with a global economic activity of $444 billion. 10% of it is the total US e-commerce. Now, this is very interesting, guys, because you have millions of merchants across the whole world that are right now looking and buying and selling on this platform. As you can see, they might be in Argentina, they might be in Africa, they might be in South Africa, they might be in Sudan and Saudi Arabia, they might be in India, Pakistan, China, Russia, even in Australia for that matter, or New Zealand. So you can clearly see that the amount of actual business is huge in the US, in Canada. So all of these areas are available where people are selling constantly, in Argentina, in Peru. So how can we actually use this and harness this element? So if you start up a store up, how can you actually sell to someone in South Africa? Or how can you sell to someone in India or in China or Russia? That is what I'm going to show you today. And that's how I'm going to give you the complete breakdown of what you need to do. Now, before you do that, one of the things I absolutely love about Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with Shopify with their simple drag and drop store creator. You don't need any coding expertise at all, guys. And the beauty of it is that it keeps your fixed cost as low as possible. You don't need to actually hire front-end developers, back-end developers. You can easily use the customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers available on Shopify. And you can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the app built by trusted Shopify developers. Now, we live in a digital age, guys. We live in the time of the internet. That literally means that we have a chance and an opportunity to actually touch and trade and buy and sell and interact with people across the globe. And obviously, with the digital era, we can make sure that we have the proper understanding and tools. And that is what Shopify actually gives individuals: a chance to select the best converting checkout on the planet, guys, and as well give you a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And from reaching new leads, engaging with customers, and building the data that you have, you can oversee your operations and fulfill every order and manage your money where you make it. Now, guys, if you do not have a Shopify account, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial and start developing your store. Now, once you have started your store, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discounts, and your online store. Now, obviously, you can easily add custom domains, put your first product, customize the theme, and there's all these elements available that you can easily do to start. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love is the support and assistance that you can easily get on Shopify. Now, obviously, once you've done all of that, you want to make sure that you're selling in multiple places. So what you need to do is select settings. As you select settings, you're going to get the full details about your store. So you're going to have the basic information, your address, your contact information is going to be made available over here. Your email is going to be made available, the actual store currency, the time, and all of these elements are available. Now, what we need to do is click on markets. Now, as you click on market, what happens is that you would have your primary market, which is Pakistan for us right now, and then you can actually add the different elements in the markets. For example, in North America, we have UK and the US. International, we have Australia, Austria, and 24 more. So for example, if you want to add a market in the US, all you need to do is click on add the United States. And as you add the United States, that market is going to be made available. Now you have the market setting, then you would have the actual domain and the languages over here. So once you click on manage, you can change the actual subfolders, the domains and subdomains, and the primary domain as well. So it's going to be changed to the US. So actually, you can say that we want to assign a local host. You can assign a local and custom host. You don't need to create a dedicated and just use the primary one over here, and it will change everything that's going to be made available. Now, as you can see, the language has been changed and all the elements in the URL has been changed as well. So this is going to be available over here, and is going to manage and automate the language transaction as well. So you can easily install this and set everything from here. Now, once we save on it, it's going to literally change the domains and language that we did. So that's been saved now. So what now we're going to do is that we're going to head back, and after we head back, we need to actually select the product and the price pricing over here. Now, this is set in rupees. Now, one of the major things that we see that this is actually set in rupees is that we need to actually click on Shopify payments to get the required payments over here. So what we need to do is the fact that we need to get the simplest way to accept online payments. So you can easily do that by watching this video over here to make sure that you have the right information and get the right PayPal connected to your store so you can easily receive money and send money to your buyers. Now, once we have done that, what we're going to do is that we are going to increase or decrease the elements. Now, we can see the products over here. We can check the products if we want to and develop our elements from this point onwards. Now, once that has been done is we have to manage the duties that are going to be available over here. So for example, if we're doing the element over here is going to be the United States. So as we select the customs region, they want to collect the duties. So we're going to go and view the settings on the duties and store shop over here. Now, once we come over here, what we're going to do is that we're going to see that the taxes are being collected in Pakistan because this is where our main element is going to be over here. We're going to include the tax in the prices and charge tax on shipping rates as well. So as you can see, all these elements have been taken care of. We can even charge the VAT on digital products. Now, all we need to do is click on save and this information is going to be saved. Now, this is crucial whenever you change locations, because once you change locations, you're going to be able to actually make sure that you have the right understanding of all the elements that are going to be made available for you. Now, as you can see, we had the United States over here. So when we click on manage again, what we're going to do now is as we scroll down, we're going to check the store settings, or we're going to go to the payments and check the payments and check the taxes over here. So let's go to payments over here. As we go to payments, what happens is that we will be able to choose a provider that is going to give us an option to actually get elements over here. And there's so many elements over here that we can select from. There's so many payment vendors available, so we can easily connect all these elements to our account so that people would have the feasibility and the ease of paying us whenever they buy anything from us. So this is a very easy method, very straightforward, that's already built in. You can add even support payment subsystems as well if you want to. You can manage and payment captures. You can manually add a payment method as well. So obviously, once all this element is done, you'll be able to start selling in the United States, guys. And that is how simple and straightforward the system is. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can easily let us know and I'll be able to help you, support you, guide you. So you can even change over here to the United States, so your actual location is going to be based in the United States. So you'll be able to see that changing is going to affect everything that's going to be made available that we've done. So once we do that, just hit save and you're good to go now. Now, as you can see, all these elements are saved now and our address has been added and our store is based in the US now, and we can easily change the currency from here to dollars. So let's just do the dollars from here. So as we do the dollars from here, as you can see, our store currency has been changed now. To check our store currency, we're going to save over here, and once we save it, what we're going to do is we're going to head back to our element over here. Now all this information is put, so what we're going to do now is head to our products. Now as we head to our products, we'll be able to see that our information now has been changed from PKR to USD. Now everything is going to be made available in dollars. As you can see over here, now we have all the information and the taxes included, and all the things are going to be made available for us because it is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now if you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, and on your TikTok, so more people can find out how to set different locations and change the currency for those locations wherever you are in the world and start your dropshipping business. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.